Just today's clock. We're opening this toy. It's called Takeover the Makeover Cutie Doll. It's where you gotta do a makeover on this doll. And we got this cute little kitty here. Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm happy. Let's open it and look at the back.
So she had a bad fail. She has stuff that doesn't belong on her hair, like shoes and other things. Her makeup is just falling off. She needs a really good makeover to get cute. And this is how she might look after. We're not sure because it's a mystery. And it says, "Be my style savior." So that's what they're going to do. They're going to do her face mask. They're going to do her hair. They're going to give her a cute style. And then they're going to remove the robe to reveal what kind of outfit they got. We are going to open it carefully and we're going to cut around her robe. This way we can reveal her outfit later.
Very hard. We're gonna have to put it in water.
Yeah, it's like there's glue in there. So we're about to cut her and keep her robe on. This way we can do that part last. So they're gonna work on the hair first. And take stuff out of her hair that doesn't belong.
Me too.
Okay, yeah, undo her curls.
We got photos.
Start taking her hair extension out and undo the clippies.
Me too. We got the water. Now we're gonna dip the hair in.
And try to soften it up. Come on, rub her hair while it's in there. So try to soften it.
The hair's getting softer.
Yeah, there you go.
Wow, it's getting way softer now. The bubbles are really working. And now I think we're gonna have to put it in the sink because the water got all bubbly.
We have to bring her to the bathroom to get the bubbles out. Look, come on. And I'll probably have to get you a towel. After her hair dries, you have to do hairstyles.
Look at that. Look at it.
It's for the face mask. You push it on good. Push it up very hard, it says. And then it says go ahead and pull it off. Hold it off. Pull the face mask off. Her face is better, right? Oh, her whole face just came off in that mask. Look at this, everybody. You could do the makeover over and over again because look, the face sticks to this mask. See? So that was her old face, and it came off with the face mask. Before her makeup was down on her cheeks, it was running down, and now that's her new look. She really likes that. You like that, Laura? She really likes that face mask part. Push it on good and get off the old makeup.
It's the wrong way.
It's so hard for her little fingers.
No, but Laura, you gotta flip it.
Did it. Peel it off. Pull off the face mask.
Yeah.
Peel off her face mask like you peel off my mask. She likes to peel off my face mask when I have a mask on. You You did it. Now she's all bright and pretty.
Now wait.
Do you girls want me to help you to do the hairstyle or no? Are you girls going to put on her shoes? Sometimes it's hard to get shoes on the little doll feet.
Can I help
I'm
you?
holding her so that she doesn't move. You got it! Wow. Now it's time to continue with the hairstyle. Okay, so we just put the rubber bands in and now we're going to put clips. She got one of the little pom-poms. Time for the other one. Look, I think that these are some other girls that you can collect. But we only saw the one with the purple hair at the store. So now she has her pom-poms on.
This is how you do it.
So she has her necklace on now. Now she's on her little doll stand. We were able to cut the back to get her on it. So Ryan made her doll look beautiful. Show how you made her look. Oh, you made her look so pretty.
I gotta add those little clips. Instructions. And the other ones.
Oh, I don't have one.
Oh yeah, there we go.
You add more? She has a lot of accessories in her hair.
Yeah.
Cut off the cardboard so we can reveal what cute outfit she got. I think I gave you the scissors if you have to cut it. Okay, look behind her, lift up her hair, and you'll see that it's taped on. Here, just lay her flat. That'll be easier. Oh, wow, look.
Oh, I accidentally cut her outfit.
Oh.
I wasn't careful enough.
Tape is the black one. Oh. Wow, look at that cute little outfit she has. You made that doll look gorgeous. Good makeover. There's only one bad thing about the doll. She had like little bald spots, but you just gotta like hide it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye. I really like this toy.